Prime time news this evening. Topping up, thousands more vaccines arrive in the island today. COVID worry, CARPA studying new strain of the virus discovered in the region. And 7 more deaths. COVID claims more lives while over 800 more people test positive. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on the decision for the Prime Minister and Health Minister to delay taking the COVID vaccine? You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.